Yes, welcome to all. Now I will show you how to install the auto routing in the KiCad. Okay. For this you need to click on plugin and content manager. Then you will be appearing this window. In this filter box you can type router. Here it is showing that free routing KiCad integration. We need to integrate this software in our KiCad software. So before going to install, we need to install some other softwares. So don't click on install directly. First install some other necessary softwares. So it is showing that it needs Java JRE21. Download it from. Okay, click on this link. Here the website will be open. So I am using the Windows, so you can select. For Mac OS it is Mac, for Windows 64 it will be okay. Click on download. .msi file we need to download it. Wait until the download is completed. Now open this file. Click on next. I already previously installed, so I am clicking on the repair. For you it will be shown install. Okay, click on install. After that you will be getting the icon finish. Okay, yes, completed. Here completed the Eclipse JDK. Okay, fine. Click on finish. Now again go to this KiCad window and now scroll down. We need to install one more file from the GitHub link. See here in resources it is showing the GitHub link. Click on this GitHub link, then click on free routing. Scroll down here, you can see the download installers for Windows. Okay, click on this. Scroll down again. Here you can see the assets, that is free routing. For Windows you can download this .msi file. Again click on free routing, it will be downloaded. After downloading, click on this. It is a trusty one, you can trust it. Okay, you can report this app as safe. Click on keep anyway. Now you can open this file and it will be showing like don't run. You can click on more info. You can click on run anyway. Next, I already installed now, that's why it is showing to repair. You will be giving the option to install. I am clicking the repair and okay, finish. Now we need to install the actual free routing software. Okay, before going to that, you can see in PCB editor we are not having the auto routing icon here. After installing you will get the auto routing icon here. Okay, you can open again this window, and now install. After installing those two, then only you need to install this one. Okay, install pending, apply pending changes. You can see all the download progress here. Yes, completed. You can click on close. Yes, auto routing is installed. Now see whether the icon is present or not. See here, the icon is appeared here. This is the free routing. So this is the LED blinker which I have designed in the previous video. So wherever the blue lines are there, we connected manually tracks here, previous videos. Okay, now you need not to do it manually. Automatically this free router will assign the tracks for this. For this you need to click free routing. Yes, it is loading. The design is loading. It is auto router is about to start within 5 seconds. You know, you need not to give any data here, just you can close it. See, automatically the routing has done. Okay, uh, so by installing this auto routing, you need not to assign the tracks. Automatically the software itself will do the work. Okay, I hope you all understand. Thank you.